the chapters through. Learn things the first time because there are a lot of concepts to know. It'll save you time when you're studying for the test. Find study techniques that work for you. I went through the chapters and underlined all the important information so I could review just that before the test, but specific notes or your own style of notes work well too.
So if you go to this thing, Campbell Biology, you will find all this information, including a reading guide. And on these reading guides, you can use these you can print them out, and you can use them to read through your chapter. And they're really good because they make you really apply all the information that's in the chapter to your own life, and eventually they will run out of guides, so you'll have to make your own.
I recommend watching videos for difficult concepts because it's a lot easier to understand. I recommend Crash Course with Hank Green, which looks somewhat like this. Look at all those topics. Wow. Yeah. Also Bozeman. Yep. Have you ever eaten cabbage? Well, humans and cabbage share about 40 to 50% of DNA. Yeah, also keep up with your work and tests because if you really focus on time management, it's going to be so much easier than having a buttload of work to do the day before a test.
Be prepared to teach. You can make different slideshows or Kahoots or anything, and they will just help you learn along the way and help you teach all your other classmates.
Alright, and on the Campbell Biology website, on every single chapter towards the bottom, there's the helpful self quiz and the chapter quiz. The self quiz is the same one as in the book, and they are both really helpful in reviewing what was in the chapter and making sure you understand the difficult concepts. Don't forget to use credible outside sources other than your book to further your understanding of the difficult concepts. And it's always easier when you do the labs to make sure you do the lab reports right away so you don't wait and then you have to do them all at once.
Don't miss school and don't miss class because otherwise you're going to have to take 2 tests in one day and that's terrible.